Yo, on this channel I'll be teaching you the most easiest way, most fun way for you to learn Mandarin Chinese. Yeah, now, let's start learning. Buckle up. Hello everyone. Welcome to lesson 35 of Mandarin Chinese. Today, we are learning about different types of planets. Earth is called 地球. Mercury is called 水星. Mars is called 火星. Jupiter is called 木星. Now, let's review the words again. 地球, 水星, 火星, 木星. This is the end of today's lesson. Please remember to like, share, comment, and also to click the subscribe and notification button. See you next time. Goodbye.